Want to work from anywhere without installing anything? With RunApps, you can use full Office tools directly from your browser, completely free. Just go to runapps.org. From there, you can access apps like RunApps Calc for spreadsheets or RunApps Draw, perfect for diagrams, mind maps, and more. Click on Calc Online. In seconds, you'll be editing spreadsheets with features like formulas, charts, filters, and full Excel compatibility. You can easily save, import, or export your files. Need diagrams or charts? Open Draw Online and use its tools to build flowcharts, organizational charts, or technical sketches. Use ready-made templates, work in layers, and export in PNG or PDF. With RunApps, there's nothing to install, it all works in the cloud. At home, at work, or on the go, all you need is a browser. Visit runapps.org now and start working faster and smarter.